Welcome to Berry VW Repairs, 0161 850 2982. Now, we're experts in the repairs of Volkswagen vehicles. Our well-trained team have many years' experience servicing, maintaining and repairing Volkswagen vehicles, and we only ever use authentic replacement components. Our MOT's test station is run by fully qualified staff who've been trained to use the latest technology. We supply full servicing for Volkswagen vehicles, including braking, engine and transmission, electrical parts, exhausts, steering and suspensions, lubricants, oils and fluids. Now, some of the Volkswagen vehicles we service and repair are Polo, Beetle, Golf, Jetta, Touran, Passat, Scirocco, Tiguan, and Sharan and Toureg. So if you own a VW and you're looking to get it repaired in the Bury and surrounding areas, then please give us a call on 0161 850 2982 and we'd be happy to repair your VW.